Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my another class, and today I will teach you how to speak English publicly. If someone is asking question to you, how you will handle that person and how you will answer of this question perfectly. And in a previous video I taught you lots of things about past indefinite sentence, okay? And if you don't see that video, so please go in a previous video and watch whole video and listen something and write down all these things so that you could understand something from my video, okay, from my lecture. So right now I will teach you as a spoken. So come on, let's get started. देखिए, क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, कोई आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो वो सबसे पहले डिड लगाएगा, डिड यू वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट अदर वर्ड। उसके बाद में आपको आंसर देना है यस आई वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट अदर वर्ड। देन यू हैव टू रिप्लाई इन अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस नो आई डिड नॉट एंड यू हैव टू पुट वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट अदर वर्ड। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या आप घर गए थे, क्या आप घर गए थे। हिंदी में हाँ मैं घर गया था, नहीं मैं घर नहीं गया था। You have to clear these 3 sentences in one lecture for 1 hour, for 2 hours. Then these kinds of sentences will set up on your tongue and you will never get difficulties while speaking English. Okay, so practice with me. क्या आप घर गए थे, तो then he will ask you the question did with did you go to school, did you go to home, did you go to home, and you have to answer in a positive way with second form yes I went to home, yes I went to home. Again you have to answer in negative way no I did not go to home, no I did not go to home. And some verbs I write down on a whiteboard and we will practice with these verbs, okay? And I wrote down some verbs on a whiteboard for practicing, so let's get started for practicing with these words, okay? So first go. Did you go to Agra? Now I'm putting out did you go to Agra, then you have to answer yes I went to Agra, yes I went to Agra. अगर वहीं आप आगरा नहीं गए थे तो मना कर दीजिए no I didn't go to Agra, no I didn't go to Agra. And then for these sentence you have to learn first form, second form, third form, because all these sentences made by the verbs, because without verbs there is no any kind of sentence will be made in this world. So you have to learn all these verbs and I will write down some important verbs which can be used in a spoken language, okay? So come on. Did you come to my home? Did you come to my home? Yes I came to your home, yes I came to your home. मना कर दीजिए no I didn't come to your home, I didn't come to your home. Did you play cricket? Yes I played cricket, yes I played cricket. मना कर दीजिए I didn't play cricket, I didn't play cricket. Did you drink wine? Did you drink wine? No I didn't drink wine, no I didn't drink wine. Yes I drank wine, yes I drank wine. And we have to answer according to situation, otherwise it will be wrong. Like क्या आप दारू पीते हो? हाँ मैं दारू पीता हूँ। अरे भाई गड़बड़ हो जाएगी। वहाँ पर सिचुएशन के हिसाब से आपको बोलना है, ठीक है? अभी तो now we are just making practice for practicing each other, okay? Did you write a letter? Did you write a letter? Yes I wrote a letter, yes I wrote a letter. अब मना कर दीजिए I didn't write a letter, I didn't write a letter. वहीं पर did you read novel? Did you read novel? Yes, I read novel. Yes, I read novel. मना कर दीजिए. No, I didn't read novel. No, I didn't read novel. And try to add more information about something in this sentence so that you make a long sentence. Okay? Did you watch TV? Yes, I watched TV. Yes, I watched TV. Did you wash clothes? Yes, I washed clothes. Yes, I washed clothes. मना कर दीजिए. I didn't wash clothes. Did you listen music? Yes, I listened music. Yes, I listened music. No, I didn't listen music. Did you speak English yesterday? Yes, I spoke English yesterday. Yes, I spoke English yesterday. मना कर दीजिए. I didn't speak English yesterday. I didn't speak English yesterday. Like this. So I hope you like this video. सो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ऐसे ही आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. एक ही वीडियो में 3 sentences फिनिश हो रहे हैं. फॉर 1 hour, फॉर 2 hour यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इफ़ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड स्पीकर एट इंग्लिश. And also I want to tell you one more thing, that nowadays you have a golden opportunity. Why? Because summer vacation are going on, so that's why you have to practice more and more, and you do not have any kind of pressure for learning something, all different subjects. So you have just one subject, English, 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 and try to speak English at your home with mirror. If you don't have partner to speak English, contact me and I will make you practice more and more on call. And my number is in the description link. Go into that and take out the number and call me and talk to me more. Maximum 15 minutes, minimum 10 minutes. Okay, so as much as I can support you, okay, but you have to also support me. Please like, share, subscribe. So thank you all. I hope you like this video. Please.